Okay, everyone. So majority of the members already joined this webinar. And first of all, thank you so much, everyone, to attend this beautiful webinar. All right, everyone. So let's start the webinar. And this webinar is going to do market analysis and your question answer. And if there is anything I want to discuss with you, so you can also discuss with me if you have any question, queries, and request anything else. Okay, so I will do a one by one if possible, that how many queries I can solve in this webinar, because this is a public webinar and a majority of the members join this webinar. Okay, so we are going to start from first of all the market analysis in a higher time frame to lower time frame. What happening in a major currency pair, stock, and some other requested pair. Like we are going to start from EURUSD, GBPUSD, gold, Bitcoin, and other analysis like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and other. Okay. All right. So we are going to start from the most tradable pair in a forex market is a Euro USD. Let's start from the higher time frame to lower time frame. What happening in a daily time frame and what we can expect here, and what is our current situation here in a Euro USD. So right now, what happening here and what we can expect here? Look at this structure here. Based on daily time frame structure, you can see overall market momentum showing bearish. It means overall showing a major direction as a bearish. And if market create anything else in a like a tap on a PY sweep inducement, sweep min high low, and create any lower time frame confirmation, then we can plan here for the buy and sell. That's it. Okay. So based on daily time frame structure is a bearish and everything is a bearish here. So if market momentum is a bearish, generally what are you looking here? We are looking here for the sell. So first of all, look at this structure here, and you need to follow the basic structure right here to marking our inducement and marking our PY. Simply you need to follow a simple structure, right? And before this move, market was trying to go higher, and now again market break this low, and this was a last trying. And then what happened here? Market again continued looking higher high. This was next move when we are looking for the continuation, but market gave a small action but failed. That means market not able to go higher. Market taken out the inducement, and we are again planning for the sell. Again taken out the inducement. Again we are planning for the sell. Break this structure, mitigation, and sell. Again, what happened here in the next upcoming week and days, probably we can see this one mitigation and market can see a drop into downside till this low, right? So this one is a possible scenario in a Euro USD in a daily time frame structure. Let me mark here. This is our previous low is here. It means this one is our structure, right? So this one is our main low is here, and this one is our inducement right here. So if market taken out the inducement, probably what are you looking here? Simply we are looking for the sell, which one is taken out and went down. Again, what happened here? This one is our last buying momentum before the sell is here. So once price tap on it, we are planning here for the sell. Okay. So this one is our zone, price tap here, mitigation, and price drop. Okay. Again, what are you looking here? This is our last buying momentum before the sell is here, right here, because this one is our order flow is here. So once price mitigate this zone, probably we can see another sell setup after mitigation this one. Okay. Okay, someone saying that quality is display is a little bit lower. So the quality of the videos is fine for everyone, or like looks like any error or anything is there. What about a video quality? It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Good for me. Okay, good. Okay, thank you. Okay, so if someone are facing the problem in a quality of the video, so simply you can check your internet connection. Maybe yeah, okay, thank you. So overall structure is showing a bearish and market momentum trying to push downside, and we are looking here for the sell, right? So in the next day and week, once price mitigate this one and we can see drop in a downside, continue till this low is taken out, because this low is our target when we are expecting that price must be mitigate this one, and then we can expect like maybe continuation and maybe reversal, right? Let's switch here in another time frame is a 1 hour time frame to see exactly what happening here based on 1 hour time frame. In a 1 hour time frame, you can see this is our last buying momentum before the sell is here based on daily time frame. And once price mitigate this one, then we can plan here for the sell. Okay, but based on daily time frame structure, simply we are looking here for the sell, right? So where is our inducement? Simply inducement is here. The first pullback is called inducement. Once market taken out the inducement, we are planning here for the sell, because the after taking out the inducement, we are looking for the sell. But you need to wait for to mitigate the unmitigated order flow, right? In this case, you can see this is our last buying momentum before the sell is here. So price can be tapped here and then we can plan for the sell. And the next one is here on the top of the move is here, right? But problem is here in a both order flow looks like a normal order flow. There is no liquidity taken out the normal structure here like this one. In this case, if this order flow is taken out this one and push downside, so this order flow become high probability for the sell. And same thing applicable at this point, like price tap here and then what happened, market going high push downside, taking out the inducement and went up to mitigate this one. And we can plan here for the sell. So this one become high probability for the sell side. Okay. Because the market taken out the liquidity, but right now market now taking out the liquidity. And this is our like normal order flow is here. So in this case, the main thing is the inducement. So you need to wait for it. Like once price probably tap on it. Okay. And maybe then market must be create same time frame like structure shifting, then we can plan here for the sell right here. Okay, why we are taking a same time frame or like structure, because the once price tap on it, okay, then once price tap on it, this is a normal structure here, this is a sorry normal order flow is here. If this order flow taken out the liquidity, so we can mark this is our high probability, but right now this is a not high probability, this is a normal order flow is here. Okay, so once price tap on it, then we can plan here for the sell. Okay, and this is our daily to 1 hour time frame scenario in a Euro USD. Let's switch here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here. Based on a 15-minute time frame, okay, the similar thing is happening here. This is our inducement, tap on it, and once price mitigate this zone, and this is our daily time frame PY is here, means the daily time frame order flow. Once price tap on it, then we can plan for the sell. Right now there is no opportunity for the sell. Maybe you will get short-term move to the downside, then market maybe mitigate this zone before a continuation move to the downside, right? Once price tap on it, then we can plan for the sell. Otherwise, no, right? And right now you can see the inducement taken out, and if market went down right here and create anything is here, so we can plan here for the sell. Otherwise, no. If market not able to like create this one structure here and maybe market going again high, it means market are trying to go higher to mitigate this zone. Why? Because in a first attempt, if market not create a reaction after taking out the inducement, then very highly chances that market trying to go higher, right? So in a first attempt, this one is here because the higher time frame inducement taken out, and probably if market push continue downside, so we can see momentum in a downside. Otherwise, price taking out this inducement and going higher high, so we can plan for the continuation move to the higher to mitigate this zone is here. Okay, so this is our overall scenario here in a Euro USD in a different time frame. Let me show you one more pair is here, which is our GBPUSD, and after that I will use gold. Okay, let's start from the daily time frame first here. What happening here in a GBPUSD? In a GPST, you can see similar thing is here. The market momentum was bullish and now turned into bearish right here and again trying to go higher. But right now you can see the previous size of sweep here, which is indication that market taken out the liquidity and market can reverse to the downside. So right now you can see the previous structure here, which was sweep at this point. So once market sweep the previous high, it means market looking for the reversal to the downside. So when we can expect at this point, because the overall structure showing bullish. So market can came back. This point is here because this one is our last selling move before the buy is here. And you can also mark the entire zone is here as well as here, right? But technically, this is our entire zone as our last selling move before the buy is here, right? And then market went up. So price can we tap on it? Then we can see some continuation move to the higher. Okay. Which one is a high probability order flow or at extreme? So extreme or decisional order flow is taken out the liquidity. So those act like a high probability. And those can be your decisional and can be your extreme, right? So press tap on it, then we can see some continuation wave up to the side, or maybe market tap on it and then give small reaction and failed. So if failed this one, so we can plan here for the sell at this point, mitigation, and then went down right here. So this is our next plan here for the sell in a GBPUSD based on daily time frame structure here. Now I'm going to show you exactly what happening here in a 1 hour time frame. Then we can plan here for the buy and sell. What is this right now? What happening here in a daily time frame structure? In a daily time frame structure, this was the liquidity taken out, means sweep the previous high. So if market sweep the previous high and market went down, and now market looking for the sell in a downside, what happening here? Market just push downside, taking out the liquidity, mitigation this order flow, again push downside, take the low, and now everything is mitigated here. So maybe market can go higher, little bit higher to mitigate this zone is here, because this one is our unmitigated zone here. Once price tap on it, and price must be react on it, then we can plan for the sell. You need to simply identify structure, and PY is a very simple way. First of all, if market momentum is a bullish, right? If market momentum bullish and market taken out this low, right? You don't need to take action at this point, because maybe market can go a little bit more downside, okay? Because you are not sure that where is market going on. And if market came back to the upside and break the high, and again came back, this point is here. So this zone become high probability for the buy to the upside. Same thing applicable in a bearish market. If market momentum is a bearish right here, and market taken out any low is high, and then market went down, so this zone grab the liquidity, taken out the previous high. So this entire zone act like a high probability zone for the sell, price mitigation, and then sell, right? So this is our simple way, you can say. This is a very simple way. You need to follow the simple structure. Market taken out the low and market came back those point to mitigate, why pull back, then we can plan for the buy or sell. This is simple. Can you explain about identify order flow? Order flow is so simple. I already explained in so many videos, and this is a very simple thing. In a bullish, looks like an order block to identifying the order flow. The last buying momentum before the sell and the last selling momentum before the buy. That's it. Okay, in this case, you can see this. These are all order flow is here. The last buying momentum before the sell is here. This is our order flow. This is our order flow, right? Because overall direction is a bearish, and these are all moves is which is our last buying momentum before the sell. So press mitigate this one, and then we are planning for the sell. Simple. How we can mark the unmitigated order flow and which one is mitigated? Simple is why the pullback. This is our mitigation. This one is a mitigation, and this one is a mitigation, and this one is unmitigated because market push downside in a simple wave is here. And let me explain your rest question answer end of the webinar. First of all, let me finish the market analysis in a major pair. Okay. So this is happening here in a 1 hour time frame right here. And we are planning here for the sell. Once price mitigate this zone, and then we can see a downside move right here in a GBPUSD. Okay. And same thing happening in a 15-minute time frame, I hope. And if price tap on it, we can plan here for this sell. Once price tap on it, the market trying to go higher. And this is our last buying momentum before the sell based on higher time frame. So probably market can tap on it. So if market trying to go higher like this one, so price must be like taken out and go higher, came back to the downside, mitigation, and then again go higher, because this low is taken out. Again, push downside, mitigation, and go higher. So once price tap on it and create any like bearish confirmation like structure shifting, you don't need to enter. Once market taken out the low or like high and then went down, mitigation, we can plan here for the sell, and this move give you very high probability zone for the sell. please mark on Nifty. Sir, I will check one by one. Please keep patience and keep watching. Okay. So this is happening here in a GBPUSD and EURUSD in a different time frame. Let me check one more is here like gold, which is the next instrument is here gold. Start from the higher time frame to lower time frame. What happening here and what we can expect here, and there is any opportunity available or not right here. Okay. Start from daily time frame structure. In a daily time frame structure, you can see the overall market was bullish and now market taken out the previous high. So if market taken out the previous high or low, which is means that market grab the liquidity. So when market grab the liquidity, then what happen here? We are looking for the reversal to the downside. Which point? At least market must be taken out the previous low. Where is previous low? This low. So very highly chances market can taken out this low before continuation go higher and maybe market push downside for the reversal. But at least market taken out this low before taking out like go higher or go lower, right? So if market like going higher high, look at this structure here. This is a small pullback here, going higher high, taking out this high and market went down. And again, mitigation. And then we are planning here for this sell. This one looks like a sell setup here in a gold based on daily time frame structure here, right? And let me switch here in a 1 hour time frame to see clear picture here, what happening here and what we can expect here. Look at this one based on a 1 hour time frame. This is our previous order flow is here. Where is our order flow? Because this one is the entire leg is here, inducement taken out, and this one is our last buying momentum before the sell is here. Because this one is unmitigated here, market pushed sharply in a downside. This one is unmitigated here, right? So price can be tapped on it, and once price tap on it, right, we can plan for the sell in a downside, and this is a looks like a high probability zone for the sell because market momentum is a bearish and market tap on your unmediated refinement order flow, then we can plan for the sell. And in this way, you can see some buying, selling opportunity for the buy and sell. And this is our counter trend is here for the buy and sell. In this case, also you can follow the lower time frame like 15-minute, 5-minute time frame for the buy or sell, right? This is our bullish structure here, taken out the low. And again, what happened here? Market trying to go higher, break this one, and again going higher high, break this one, push downside, mitigate this zone, and then we can again plan for the buy to the upside till this order flow is mitigation. Once price mitigate this order flow here, then we can plan for the sell in a downside right here. Okay. So this is our possible scenario here in a gold based on daily time frame and 1 hour time frame. Let me show you in a 15-minute time frame. If not touch our refinement, how we can deal? Simply, you need to follow the simple structure. If price not tap out, then price create reversal. If price create reversal, simply you can catch those moves. You don't need to like action when price tap on order flow. Simply price going higher high, something like this one. Okay. And then what happened? If price not tap on it or tap on it, okay, then price start pushing downside. This one is a first low, is a broken, and you don't need to enter here for this sell or buy. Why? Because market momentum is a bullish, and this one is not showing that market is a going higher high because this low is also broken here and this low is also broken here. It doesn't mean that market looking for the reversal in a downside. No, you need to wait for it. If price tap on it and give a small reaction and failed, again failed, it means now we can plan for the sell, but this zone must be taken out the liquidity like this one, like taken out this one. So we can plan here for the sell at this point right here. It doesn't mean that price tap on order flow or not. Simple. So this is happening here in a gold in a 1 hour time frame, in a daily time frame, and in a 15-minute time frame. In a 15-minute time frame, structure is also bullish here, and everything looks like a bullish setup here. In this case, simply you need to follow simple structure. This was a previous low taken out, and after taken out, price close over it. For example, if price close over it, so we can plan for the buy at this point right here because this one was also grab the liquidity, price tap on it, and we can plan for the buy to the upside for the counter trend right here. And same thing applicable here in a 5-minute time frame. In a 5-minute time frame is a similar story, right? Once the market momentum is a bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter. Simply you have to follow the structure. Where is market going on? And if market taken out the liquidity and tap on unmedia order flow or order block, you can plan for the buy or sell. Simple. In this case, you can see here how price is reacting at this point. The overall market was bearish because the bullish momentum and this was start bearish, and the last low is here when market taken out the low, but you don't need to enter. Break this Y and again going high, break the main high, push downside, and this zone become high probability for the buy. We can plan for the buy. Again break this high, and now we are planning for the buy, taking out the inducement. And after taking out the inducement, simply we can also plan for the buy to the upside. Break this one, push downside and mitigation, and we can plan for the buy. And same thing applicable here, taking out the inducement, mitigation, order flow, and go higher high. And this order flow and this thing applicable in all time frame, like 1 hour, 15 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, everywhere, right here. Okay. And right now price in our zone, right? So in this case, you can see multiple times price sweep the high or low, like this one, sweep the high or low. So we can plan for the short term buy or sell in this case because market in a ranging. So once market break the previous high and close of it and take a pullback, we can plan for the buy to the upside. This is a simple process for the buy. Simple, you need to make like think like market momentum is a bullish and bearish. Taken out the previous low and go higher and again wait for mitigation. Simple. Like this one's a lower lows structure here. Again go higher and push downside. And again market take a pullback to mitigate this one. We can plan for the sell. This is a very simple way to like take entry here for the buy and sell. Look at this one. This is the order flow mitigation, and we can plan for the sell. Why this move? Because this move taken out of the previous high so liquidity, and you need to wait for some clear setup. And this is a very simple thing. That's it. How to identify inducement? Inducement is a simple thing. Market momentum is a bullish or bearish. First high lows are inducement. I already explained so many times. This is inducement, right? And right now, this is inducement. The first high low is a inducement. Push downside, inducement, right? So I hope you are clear in a gold in a different time frame. Let me check one more thing is here in a Bitcoin, BTC, USDT, and I will after that I will choose Bank Nifty and Nifty. What happening here and what we can expect. Let's check here in higher time frame to lower time frame. In a daily time frame, structure was still bullish here. And right now, what we can expect here? Market taken out the inducement, taken out this one. Everything is a bullish. Taken out this one, break this one. And this is our last buying momentum before this hell. And this is our last key level when we can expect some bullishness in a Bitcoin market. This one right here. Because this low is a taken out. And if market taken out this low is here, so it means we can plan for the buy because market momentum is a bearish, sorry, bullish and taken out this low, go high, break this one, again push downside, wait for mitigation, and then we can plan for the buy. This is our last buying momentum before the sell is here. Once price tap on it, we can go higher. Looks like this one and go higher. Okay. And the one more thing is here, if price tap on it, give small action and failed. So if failed, take a pullback at this point, we can plan for the sell. And this one is called flip entry, demand convert into supply. This is our demand because we are planning for the buy and now convert into supply. This is a zone. This taken out the liquidity, push downside, wait for mitigation, and then sell. This is a simple process when we can buy or sell, right? Okay, so this is a higher time frame scenario in a Bitcoin. This is our order flow. Let me check here in a 1 hour time frame. In a 1 hour time frame, structure is still showing bearish, and if market momentum is a bearish and creating lower lows, simply you need to wait for it. You can out the inducement, wait for mitigation order flow or now, then we can also plan for the buy or sell. Simple, right? In this case, you can see the market momentum still showing bearish. Look at this one. The last buying momentum before the sell is here. Why? Because this one is our area is taken out the liquidity and this one, this high is taken out right here. This high is taken out, push downside, wait for mitigation. We can sell. This is order flow, pullback, we can sell. This one is also sweep here, we can sell here. And right now, there is any setup here? Yes, this one. So if market can tap on it, create any lower time frame reversal, we can plan for the sell till this low. And this is our measure, low is our target right here. If market not able to break this one, like go higher, okay, so we need to wait for structure like this one, then we can sell. Otherwise, maybe market go higher and create structure like this, so we can buy at this point right here. Okay, you need to always prepare in a both side for the buy and sell. If you are think in a only one side, then very highly chances you will get a when trade going as per your direction, you feel good. If no, then you feel very bad. So simply you need to think in a both side of probability. Maybe when you are enter on any trade, then those trade can be hit your stop loss, can be hit your break even, or it can be hit your like target, right? Because this game is all about probability. You need to think in a probability. There is no like 100% guarantee that your analysis are good and everything match as per your criteria. It doesn't mean that market follow your structure. No, this is all about probability. You need to play on that point where is looks like a high probability setup for the buyer sell. So right now the market type on this order flow is here and press tap on it and start creating anything is here, then we can for the sell. Okay, so let's check here. The another pair is a XAUSD. Silver, I don't think there are few I don't think people trade in a silver. Very few members trade here in a silver. Silver is also similar thing like gold and other thing. Like in a 1 hour time frame, structure looks bearish here. You can understand something like this. This is our overall bearish structure. Highs are taken out right here. This is the last actual move here, and this is a higher time frame, right? Maybe in a 4 hour time frame, you will see very clearly this one exactly. In a 4 hour time frame, you can see very clearly the previous high taken out, the last buying momentum before the sell, mitigation, and sell. Break this low, mix target, sweep the low. We can see some pullback to the upside. This point, at least probably can hit this one, right? So overall scenario is a bearish in a silver. Let me check here in a 15-minute time frame. What happening here? In a 15-minute time frame, based on 15-minute time frame, the last buying momentum before the sell is already mitigated here, and this one is the last buying momentum before the sell here. The price already tap on it, so probably we can see some sell setup here. And if market create here any opportunity here in a same time frame, like 15-minute time frame structure shifting here, taken out this one and push downside, mitigate this zone, and we can plan for the sell at this point. This is a simple way, right? And this is only applicable when price tap on order flow or taken out the indices way. That's it. Okay, now let me read your question one by one. There are so many multiple questions. सर कभी कभी आप पहले पुल बैक आईडीएम ना लेते हैं उसके बाद सर आई टेक आईडीएम which looks like a high probability means the larger pullback, right? The first pullback is always your investment. So this time frame you look for MSS. I mainly trade in a 15-minute or 5-minute time frame, but I use lower time frame, 1 minute time frame, and sometimes I take a 2-minute time frame. 1 year I'm using 15-minute time frame as a higher time frame. No more analysis. I'm just giving you answer because the rest pairs are not are good. Those are very low volume pair. Please don't do spam, otherwise you will be removed automatically. Okay. It's a possible Sansa, it's a possible for market not mitigate an order flow before creating boss. So price must be create a break the at least the previous high low. Once market break the previous high low, then you need to wait for mitigation your order flow. Then we can plan for the buy or sell. Favorite anti model. I usually mention so many times that when market taken out, the first I identify high time frame scenario like structure is a bearish, right? And taken out the previous high, and this can be sweep and this can be close. Doesn't matter for me. And then market push downside. Again, go higher to mitigate this entire zone. This entire zone act like order flow. Once price type on it, I switch here in a lower time frame, and then market create here any lower time frame like structure shifting, then we can plan for this sell, means the chalk or flip, then we can plan for this sell. That's it. Can you explain how we should start analyzing the chart? I already explained the putting all together video on YouTube. You can watch them. I have a problem to identify selecting unmitigated flow. This is a very simple thing. Looks like an unmitigated, which is not mitigated by any pullback. That's it. Simple. Why are you making it a complicated? This is a very simple thing. Is here. Look at this one. First, identify the order flow. Where is order flow? The last buying momentum before the sell in a bearish market. This one's called order flow. So this one is our unmitigated here. If price not mitigated by the pullback, so this one looks like unmitigated. If this candle mitigate this one, this is a mitigation. This simple. There is no big thing is here. USD चीप में ट्रेड करना सही है. Yes, you can trade any pair. There is no foundation. Like if anything is working for you, any pair, simply you can use them. All pair are good. All stock is all good. But main thing, which one is suitable for you, right? Maybe any pair, any other pair like gold for someone is a good, but gold someone for is not good because of the volatility. And maybe another reason समय सारे ऑर्डर ब्लॉक हो जाते हैं. ऑर्डर ब्लॉक फेल होने के लिए बने हैं. फेल नहीं होंगे तो फिर कैसे स्ट्रक्चर मूव करेगा? सारे ऑर्डर ब्लॉक पे काम नहीं करेगा ना. बट यू नीड टू फॉलो द वेयर इज आवर हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑर्डर ब्लॉक. Main thing is order flow, and the next thing is order block. People do wrong thing is that they only follow the order block. Order block is a primary version of refinement version of the order flow. First, identify a structure, wait for inducement taken out, and wait for mitigation order flow. Order flow is a primary, order block is a secondary. Remember. Give me a spare to trade. There are different pen. It's up to you that maybe what kind of thing you are selecting to select as a best pair. I usually select as a pair for the high volume, like gold is also called EURUSD and Aussie USD. Mainly Aussie USD pairs looks like a good volume. डिस्कॉर्ड मेंबर के लिए जो भी वेबिनार होता है उसके लिए अनाउंसमेंट करते हैं. उसका 8 बजे से होगा. प्लीज चेक अनाउंसमेंट टाइम टू टाइम. If you are using 1 hour as a higher time frame, when swing trading can use 15-minute trade internal move. First thing, if you are using higher time frame as a 1 hour, then you should use 5 minutes for the entry. If you are using 15 minutes, so that's not a fit as per the time frame. If you are using 15 minutes, then use 1 minute time frame. There is no relation between 1 hour and 15-minute time frame. Can you show example? I'm just showing you in a starting that how many times I explained the order flow. Please tell me about insecurity and breaker block. I don't use all the thing. I'm using very simple thing is there. I make a very simple and easy to trade thing. इसमें सर सबसे ऊपर वाला बाइंग बिफोर द सेल ऑर्डर ब्लॉक नहीं चुना. मालिक अभी ये अनमिटिगेटेड है तो इसको ही चुनेंगे ना पहले तो. और ये जो ऑर्डर फ्लॉक आप जो कह रहे हो ना, ये पहले से ही ऑलरेडी आपका मिटिगेट है एक्चुअल में. अगर आप देखोगे ये वाला ये इनसाइड मूव है, इसके बेस पे और ये ऑलरेडी मिटिगेट है इसके बेसिस पे, तो ये उसकी इतनी ज़्यादा हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी नहीं है, ये उसके बाद का है तो इसकी ज़्यादा हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी है। How do you reduce number of stop loss in a order flows? How do you reduce number of stop loss? Means number of like number of pips. So you can use the 50% of the zone. Please do bank Nifty analysis. Yes, sir. Bank Nifty. In a bank Nifty, what happening here? The structure overall is a bullish here. Let me check here in a 15 time frame. What happening here? In a 15 time frame, this is our internal structure here because this is a larger move and this was happening during election time. And now market trying to recover to the upside and just trying to go higher, but market momentum is not showing very strong momentum, just trying to go higher like this one and then went down, go higher, went down, go higher and went down. So this is indication that market like holding a specific level and not going upside. The momentum of the buyers is not good as everyone expecting. Okay, and also not for sell. So right now the picture is not clear for the buyers and sellers right now. The market in a ranging. So probably you will see in a few days market going higher high and maybe trying to push downside. Okay. But based on structure, if you can see the structure is also showing bullish here, but market not breaking any high like this one is a low is a sweep here, break this one, mitigation the order flow, and once price tap on it, price must be go higher, but market gap up but again push downsides, again mitigation and market break this low, and this thing happening like market taking out the low and again going higher high and again push downside next day. So this is a not good indication for the buyers and sellers right now. That's why market not going upside and downside, and this can be take a few days to decide a direction and maybe collecting some more money before to push upside and push downside. Based on 5 minute time frame, in a lower time frame, you can see multiple entries here for the buyers and sell in a 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame is here. Okay, so this is our structure here in a 1 minute and 5 minute, and this is properly used generally for the scalping and day trading because market open for few hours. This was bearish momentum, again bullish, and again shift bearish. So you can play for the short term buy or sell right now here. Okay. Push downside, but market taking out the liquidity. So we can plan for the buy or sell. Otherwise, no. In this case, you can see this is our structure here. The structure starts shifting here. High taken out, break this low, mitigation, and sell. Again, taken out the inducement. If market push downside, mitigation, we can sell. But market not taken out this one and just taken out this low and go higher. It means the structure looks like shifting, mitigation, and go higher. Break this one, mitigation, and push downside. There is no immediate order flow is here. Break this low, and price must be taken out the inducement, but price not taken out the any inducement, just pushing downside. So price taken out this one, and market went down. So we can plan for the sell at this point like this one. So simply you need to prepare on a both side for the buy and sell. Can you give a Fibonacci setting, please? I use Fibonacci during to set our take profit like this one. Okay. Fibonacci usually use when market momentum is bullish and bearish, and there is no new high is here. For example, here the structure is going higher high, and you don't know where is the next move is here. So simply you can start from the top of the move and bottom of the move is here. So where is target? The 1.61 is here. The next future like price can we tap on it? So we can plan for the target is here. Please tell me difference between boss chalk entry and flip entry. I explain all these entry already on the uploaded videos on YouTube. You can all watch the putting all together video where I explain everything like flip entry, wash choke entry, everything. Simple. Market tape on unlimited order flow without inducement, that's valid or not. If those order flow taken out the liquidity, so we can mark them. Otherwise, no. Like for example, if market momentum is a bullish, right, and going higher high, and you are planning for the buy, and this is our inducement, and this is our order flow, we can take risk here for the buy to the upside. Okay. And the next thing is here, if market going higher high right here, and then what happened? Market push upside, and we are planning for the buy without any inducement because the low is here. So we can also buy here at this point, right? And go higher. But why this is a valid? Because this low is already grabbed here, means that this order flow is already grabbed the liquidity. So price tap on it, we can buy here. And the next thing is here, if price going higher high like this, going higher high, and you are planning for the buy at this point on this unmetered order flow is here. This is a valid or no? This one is a no. Why? Because now taken out the liquidity, now taken out the inducement. So price either taken out the inducement, either taken out the liquidity. So if price tap on it, so we can plan for the buy. So these two are valid and this one is invalid. How I can identify between inducement and choke. So choke and inducement is a simple thing is here. Structure is a bullish and bearish. The first high low is a broken. That's called inducement. Inducement basically we use when we are marking our higher time frame PY. Okay. And choke only happen if market break the main high low. That's called choke. And also when price tap on higher time frame PY and break the first high low. That's called choke. In a two scenario, create choke here, and two scenario create inducement. Let me explain this one. Like for example, this is our higher time frame PY, right? And what happening here? The lower time frame structure is going like this one, right? And this one tap here, and then what are you looking here? The first low is a broken. That's called choke because the structure is a shifting. Choke means change of character. Structure is a shifting. This is a higher time frame, right? Mitigation, first low is a broken. This is a called choke. Okay. And in a higher time frame, it's a different story. Like structure is a bullish right here. First low is a broken. This one is a called inducement. Here, this one is a called choke. But at this point, this one is a called inducement. And we are planning for the buy. But at this plan, we are planning for the sell. Because this is a lower time frame, this is a higher time frame. In a higher time frame, the inducement taken out, we are planning to marking our higher time frame PY, and then we are planning for the buy. But in a lower time frame, price tap on a higher time frame PY and break the first low, means the structure trying to push downside. Simple. What if price break refinement order block with confirmation and that no refinement PY order flow? This simple, you need to follow the structure. Market creating lower lows, lower high means the simple structure. Then we can plan for the buy or sell. Okay. So if there is anything else there, I test your SMC. It's magic, sir. Thank you. Can you please show me an example of high probability order flow, order block? Sir, order block, I don't use like mostly. I use very sometime I use order block, but mainly I use order flow. Okay, 80% I'm using order flow because order flow, press tap on it, the probability of the mitigation is high compared to the order block. Philip model. Philip is a very simple thing. A demand convert into supply, that's called Philip. There is no big thing is here. Flippy, you can understand like this one. This one's a clear example. This one is a higher time frame, like PY mitigation, and lower time frame structure is here. This one is like demand, direction, and fail. So this one is called supply and sell. Means simple is here. Like the structure is a lower time frame. Tap on it. This is a demand, give it small direction sometime, and then fail. So this one is a great supply at this point. We can sell here. Demand convert into supply. That's called flip. Which one is the best funded account? There is no best. You can use, it's up to you that which one is the suitable, and all platforms are going so down in this day, you can see. So there is risk for in all funded account, but you can, if you are able to handle those risks and situations, so you can, otherwise no, trade on your account. How, sir, how I can trade SMC, sir? As everyone trading SMC, as you can simple. First, study about SMC concept and backtest, and study about SMC concept and few basic thing. Apply on chart. That's it. Sweep entry is a bit confusing. Should I wait for inducement taken out or wait for taken out direct entry? It up to you that which one is working for you. But mainly when I market taken out the higher time frame, like liquidity sweep and lower time frame also liquidity sweep, then very highly chances you can get without inducement entry. Don't use DXY. No, sir, I don't use. Pref entry module need IDM. It depend on situation. If market sweep the high or low in lower time frame, in that case, market no need inducement. But if market like close above the high or low, the so in that case, market need inducement. When you are going to one offer for few month back. Right now, the schedule is very busy. Maybe I will plan in a later in a few upcoming week for one session, because I have received more than 1,000 request for one session. Okay, due to some busy schedule, I'm not able to. But I'm planning for one for few selected members, for like 1 or 2 members in a week, because 1 or 2 hours I can manage for you. Okay, because for everyone is not possible, as you know, but I will try. प्लीज फेस रिवील कर दो, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. What is press one? Right now there is no fix, but in a previous days and months, when I did a 1-to-1 session, the price was 100 USD for 1 hour. Okay, and those 1 hour based on you that what kind of things you need to discuss, like back testing and question answer, market analysis, and few other things you want to discuss with me. So it's all about up to you that how many things and which one you would like to discuss. First, you need to write your question answer before start a session, and then you can solve your queries one by one. Bundle of thanks. Thank you. I'm satisfied. Great. Can you give me another example for last real trade from higher time frame to lower time frame? I already uploaded higher time frame to lower time frame scenario, everything. So you can check them. I posted on Telegram. I share my trading analysis and things which I am taking on my account and trading. the higher time frame to lower time frame, how many trades I win and how many times I lose. I usually win a 40 to 50% trade, and rest for 50 to 60% I lose a trade. But main thing is a risk reward which I'm using at least 2 hour, 2 hour to 3 hour. Okay, and end of the month, I'm the last month I was 17% up, and before that the around I think 11 or 12%, I think. Okay, and in a two month 29% was up, and I share also my verified results on a Discord. When I whenever I use order flow in a 1 hour time frame, it's fail now. So there is no fail and pass. Like it depend and situation that how you are using. Maybe you are marking the wrong order flow. Okay, so how you can say the fail every time? SMC plus PA अपनी new video नहीं आएगी अभी फिलहाल. Can you use 5 minute time frame as a time frame? Yes, you can use, but in a 5 minute and 1 minute time frame, price movements are very fluctuated. If all order flow is mitigated, can we start marking order block without inducement? If all order flow is mitigated, simple follow the structure, follow the inducement. That's it. If inducement taken out and start lower time frame reversal, so we can take entry. If no price going higher high again, then you need to wait for taking out the reaction like low, and then we can plan for the buy or sell. You need to think in a both side probability. This trading session is a more volatility. New York session, because of the London and New York session is overlapping, the market volume is extremely higher during New York session open. Thank you so much. This Zoom is recorded. Yes, sir. This session is recorded. And once, if anybody join late, so you can watch later anytime, and I will upload on YouTube as soon as possible. Here's 1 hour time frame, how to mark them. Sir, 1 hour and 50 minute and 5 minute and 1 minute time frame, all time frame marking order flow is the simple and same way. There is no different like process to marking 1 hour order flow or anything. For example, this one is our 1 hour order flow or 1 minute order flow. The last selling move before the buy is here, mitigation and buy. Simple. The last selling move before the buy, the last selling move before the buy, this one. So these are order flow. Simple. There is no big deal. कैसे पता चलेगा कि ट्रेंड चेंज होगा? ये किसी को नहीं पता है. अरे ये सब क्या होता है भाई? आपको स्ट्रक्चर आपका हायर हाई क्रिएट कर रहा है, जब स्ट्रक्चर लोअर लोच बना लेगा तो बेरिस का इंडिकेशन मिल जाता है. इसमें और क्या लॉजिक लगाना है आपको? तो यहाँ से आपका स्ट्रक्चर बुलिश है, यहाँ से शिफ्ट हो गया, राइट. अब यहाँ से शिफ्ट हो गया. अब ये क्या है? एक एक्सपेक्टेशन तो है कि भाई मार्केट अब क्या है, लोअर लोस यहाँ से बना रहा है, तो यानी कि मार्केट में यहाँ से रिवर्सल यानी कि डाउन साइड की प्रोबेबिलिटी है. अब आप सोचो कि मुझे यही पता चल जाए, तो ये किसी को नहीं पता होता है. और यहाँ कैच के चक्कर में, यहाँ पकड़ने के चक्कर में रहोगे तो फिर साल 2 साल 5 साल बर्बाद करोगे, कुछ नहीं होगा. उसके बाद में फिर बाद में यही कहोगे कि नहीं वो ही ठीक है. बेसिक. दिस डिस्कॉर्ड यूज नॉर्मल डिस्कॉर्ड. Difference between valid pullback or taking entry, IDM on order flow. These are other thing, different thing. Valid pullback means which candle taken out the previous candle high low. That's called valid order flow. Valid pullback. Where from? I'm from India. How to sign your Discord? Discord for like a paid member subscription, not for public. Thanks sir, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला आज. Okay, most welcome. What is major difference between major and minor? Minor and major are a very simple thing. Is small inducement, like in terms of the pullback. The small pullback you can mark as a minor, and the larger pullback you can mark as a major when we are expecting the higher probability PY. For example, is here if market momentum is a bearish, okay, and the liquidity is taken out, and this one and this one. So in this case, where is the minor minor? First pullback is a minor, because the high probability order flow is here. Okay, so you can mark this as a major inducement because the move of the larger, because we are planning for the sell at this point, not here. Okay, but when market taken out this low, we can mark this as a lower low. We can use small and like larger and minor major inducement to marking our lower lows. But when you are looking for the entry, then we use major inducement for the entry because this one looks high probability. Sometime you will get entry after taking out the minor inducement, but it depend on situation. Okay, but at this point, market taken out the liquidity, so we can use this one. This is a very simple. Can I use PayPal to join your Signal group lifetime? I don't offer Signal services. Okay, I teach SMC concept for everyone, and I also share markup analysis, Discord community members, and weekly webinar backtesting, and sometimes I do live trading also. So yes, you can use using PayPal. प्राइस सेशन पे न्यू वीडियो नहीं आएगी फिलहाल अभी, मे बी बाद में आए, अभी फिलहाल नहीं आएगी, ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं है. How to join? You can watch following a link on Discord. Okay, so everyone, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a nice, great weekend. And if anybody joined late, so you can watch later anytime. I'm going to upload on YouTube as soon as possible. So thank you so much, everyone. Okay, thank you.